Hello, myself Akshata. I am an agriculture student. Today I will explain you about the basic anatomy and physiology of a gastrointestinal tract in livestock and poultry. So let's begin. It's an anatomical picture of a cattle showing a ruminant digestion. First we begin with the mouth. Its main function to mixes the food with the saliva to make swallowing easily. Next we have a rumination. It is a process of chewing the gut. Normally cows spend 35 to 45% of each day in ruminating. If they lack a rumination, that indicates the sickness. Next we have salivary glands. Cattle produces 100 to 200 liters of saliva every day. Its main function to lubrication, buffering capacity due to the presence of bicarbonates. Next we have stomach. It has 4 compartments. Firstly, reticulum. Its main function to remove the foreign materials. It's the vertical section of a stomach. Next we have rumen. It is the largest compartment of a stomach. Nearly 60 to 90% of digestion occurs here. Next we have omasum. Its main function to absorb the water and other substances from the digestive contents. Next we have obomasum. It's also referred as a true stomach. It have hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes that needed for the breakdown of a feed. Next we have small intestine. It contains the parts like duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Remaining part of digestion and absorption occur here. Large intestine. It is the last part of a digestive tract. Here undigested stuff passed out, and it also helps in absorption of water, minerals and vitamins. We have accessory glands. They don't involve in digestion, but they help in digestion. First we have pancreas. They have certain enzymes, tryptophan and amylase, lipase for breakdown of fats, carbohydrates and protein. Next we have liver. It produces a bile that helps in emulsification of fats. So next we have a digestive system of a chicken. First we have beak or mouth. Chicken obtain feed by using their beaks. They have a salivary gland that secretes the saliva that moistens the feed and aids in swallowing. Next we have esophagus, that is a flexible tube that connects the mouth and rest part of a digestive tract. It carries the food from mouth to the crop, next then crop to proventriculus. Crop. It is a temporary storage pouch. Here there is a store of feed and water for some period of a time. Here digestion occur very little. Next we have a proventriculus. They have a hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes that break down the feed more significantly from compared to salivary glands. Next we have gizzard. Its main function is mixing and mashing and grinding of the digestive content. Next we have small intestine. It is made up of duodenum and lower small intestine. Remaining digestion occur here in a duodenum, and released nutrients are absorbed mainly in the small intestine. Lower small intestine composed of 2 parts, jejunum and ileum. Next we have large intestine, cecum, colon and vent. Vent, it is a common chamber into which digestive and urinary and reproductive tracts are opens. Rectum is the last part of fecal matter passes out. Thank you.